Jen.
Oh. Oh.
Jupit.
Jupit?
Jen.
But this don't look legit. Is it legit? I told them 3 yellow ones, maybe 1 other cantaloupe, but I think this maybe is from grown in, or like somewhere here in Colonia. It looks homegrown. Frozen guava, some passerby gave me. Noni, this one is from Colonia? No? Is that right?
Sakay, dun sakay. Kaliman din sa kulot.
I'm eating again. You like apple, right? You like apple? Last one. Nice.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. And this is my little brother. My little brother.
Well, I need to take the face tracking off. There we go.
This is my little brother.
Kirby's little sister and little brother. The troublemaker Kirby. But right now the troublemaker is being awfully helpful.
Say hi. Hello. Oh,
I think they know. Here.
thank you. You gave me apple.
She likes mango and apple. No, this one was a good one. The first one I had was rotting so bad. Maybe Sandy's cooking. Oh dear, he's such a good cook. The troublemaker that looks like Ryan Garcia.
Nanay.
Well, I'll see you in the next meal. Very sweet. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, kids should not have phones until they're 18. It destroys their personality.
Slow.
That's one down. Done. I'll see you for my next meal. So I just secretly, without you guys watching, ate a mango down at the village center and got some significant exercise. 여러분 안 보시는 동안에 망고 하나 먹었고요. 운동을 엄청 많이 했어요. About 10 minutes up and down a shitty road. 한 10분 동안 안 좋은 길 내려갔다 10분, 올라갔다 10분. So down 10, up 10. Here, can you film me for a second? You know how to lock onto Kirby. Click my face once on the screen. Click my face.
Ang buta,
Are you
ano?
guys doing it right?
Ito kabalo.
I think you guys suck at it. Okay, never mind. So as you guys know, I'm limit testing. So seeing what you can do right off the bat of a fast. I went down to the barangay like this. 5 or so kg on this side, 5 or so kg on that side.
Dapat ako lang tapos.
Up and down a 10-minute bad road. 이렇게 무게를 들고 올라갔다 내려갔다 했고요. 지금 3일째 단식을 끊은 상황이니까 힘이 많이 없는 상황이지만 again, don't necessarily follow my advice because if you're fasting and your body takes a lot longer to recuperate, this could be pushing it. But as you guys know, I'm trying to increase my eating uptake and my exercise, so my recovery of my body strength as quick as possible. 그래서 기본적인 사람은 이렇게 과도하게 안 해도 괜찮을 것 같아요. 저는 그냥 그 먹는 양을 조금씩 빨리 올리려고 노력을 하고 있고, 그리고 그 힘도 빨리 키우려고 하는 겁니다. 급하게. 그래서 리밋 테스팅이라고 어디까지 몸이 가능한지를 이제 실험하는 거죠. And note that I'm 25. My birthday just passed May 6th. I was fasting. During it, it was the 27th day because I miscalculated. So I'm a 6'3" male. So my body type does not match other people's body types, right? 저는 25살 생일 때 단식하고 있었잖아요. 27일째가 5월 6일이었었고. 근데 저는 이제 25살에 키도 192, 191 정도 되니까 그 몸 체중에 맞게 하는 거니까 다른 사람은 저를, 그리고 또 저는 목적이 있으니까 다른 사람은 저를 굳이 따를 필요가 없어요. So yeah, I think I'm gonna prepare to eat something now. Alright, so I'm planning on a little meal here. We'll put the camera over here for now. So obviously I just did some exercise. I went down to the barangay. I went down to the main area of the village. 마을을 지금 내려가서 운동했으니까 now I need some hydration. 이제 수분을 다시 채워야 돼요. Hydration is so key, even before the fast, but during the fast and I'm guessing after the fast as well. And what better water is there than coconut water? I can't think of something. Can you guys think of something better than coconut water? Hey, can you turn off the music? I might get copyright. Oh wow, look at this delicious meat. This is like a medium stage coconut where the meat starts to have the consistency of like octopus. This is like the sweetest stage of the coconut to drink basically. 한 코코넛 중간 단계, 과육이 한 오징어 맛 나는 정도. That tastes so good. The best hydration in the world. My God. 최고의 수분 채우는 방식. I'm not gonna eat it right now, but let's just open it up to see. 지금 안 먹을 건데 그래도 열어봐요 같이. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, we're gonna save that for later. I might just eat a little bit of this. So yeah, while you guys weren't looking, 여러분들이 안 보고 계실 때 I had one small mango at the Colonia proper when I was doing my exercise, and I had like a very small guava that was half eaten on the ground. That was super ripe. So you guys didn't see me eat that on my third day. But other than that, oh, and last night I ate tomatoes. I ate like 2 or 3 more tomatoes. 땅에 떨어져 있는 과바, 작은 과바, 반 먹힌 과바하고 여기 마을 중간에 망고하고 어제 밤에 먹었던 토마토 3개, 주스 3개 빼고는 other than that, I'm showing you everything that I'm eating after this fast. 그거 빼고는 내가 지금 뭘 먹고 있는지 다 보여드리고 있습니다. So I'll talk to you later now that I think Drip is here. Drip, you want to say something to my channel real quickly?
Hello.
That's what he says, hello. Where is my watermelon?
Did Papa not give you?
I had one.
It's only two left. I buy it all. I gave you the one.
What about avocado and only watermelon?
In Sunday. Market day in Sagay.
Ah.
Hi.
Here, let's raise the camera so they can see.
Hello.
Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm eating more. Alright, so I'm getting ready to eat now. These bananas that we bought actually are for the purposes of ice cream, because freezing is the next best solution to just totally raw in its whole state, and then would probably be drying and then the other processes. So 그 자연위생에서는 얼리는 게 가장 그나마 나아요. 가공하는 방식 중에서. 물론 온전한 완전한 상태가 훨씬 좋죠. 아무 가공이 안 된. 이 바나나들은 아이스크림을 위해 샀고요. So now I'm going to go through and just see which ones are ripe and ready to go into the freezer. 어떤 게 익었는지 한 번씩 다 보고, and then I'm going to make my salad. 그 다음에 샐러드를 만들 거예요. Two guavas I picked up, or Elia found, and I picked off the tree. 나무에서 이 꼬마가 찾아준 과바 줄게. Alright, I'm ready for the salad. I'm so excited. 샐러드 먹는다고 생각하니까 기운이 넘쳐나네요. Half of it is not good. Maybe I can't even eat this one. This one's starting to rot too, but a little bit better. Now you guys understand why I was in a rush to eat avocados. 내가 왜 아보카도를 먹는 게 급했는지 이제 알겠죠? But you gotta generously cut wherever there's mold. Try it together.
Good.
I think I might need another spoon and another avocado.
Look. It's yummy. Arigato. Arigato from Eugene. Arigato from Eugene.
Let's get the knives away from the kid. Alright, now let's zoom in and bon appetit, huh?
Yummy. Ice cream banana.
Actually, the color doesn't look that good. It looks kind of moldy. That's why it's best to buy it when it's ripe. The taste is alright. 아보카도 색깔 상태가 좀 안 좋네요. 익을 때 사는 게 좋아요. That's the point. You know, according to natural hygiene, 자연위생 학상, I should probably be only eating about 1 fruit per meal on the third day. 한 과일 1개씩 먹는 게 맞을걸요. 3일 되면. But again, I want to push the limits of my body. I'm young too. 내가 할 수 있는 걸 더 밀어내고 싶고요. And just limit test for you guys. 어디까지 뭘 할 수 있는지 보여드리고 싶어요. She's making fun of my Korean right now. 한국말 놀리고 있어요.
Arigato.
That's Japanese.
In
No, not right now, not live. Later I post. I edit and then I make it faster. When I'm eating, I make it less. And when I talk, I slow it down. Because this vlog is for people who don't eat for a long time and then eat again. Because I didn't eat for 40 days, right?
Philippines is genius. You're from Korea? You're not from America?
My grandfather is from America. My dad is American, but born in Korea. My mom is Korean.
Do you know what is Espanol?
A little bit. Because I also lived in Mexico before. I'm starting to get full, so I'm going to save this avocado and just finish up on the coconut. China's only makeup. Korea also. Plastic surgery and makeup. Most women. Real beauty, very rare. Very special. 배불러가지고 코코넛만 좀 더 먹고 아보카도는 이따가 먹을게요. So today I'm also going to make a video on my 40-day fast, not just about the refeeding. So I'll tell you a lot more details in there. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going to chop up some more tomatoes later, eat it with this avocado and maybe some more coconut, but that's about it. I would have used lime because lime is just so delicious, but for some reason the natural hygiene book says it's better when you start eating salads, not to use the sour agents. 오늘 여기까지만 먹고요. 샐러드를 먹을 때 그 산성 과일을 뿌려 먹으면 되게 맛있거든요. 근데 단식을 끝나자마자 그렇게 하는 건 좀 추천하지 않는다고 책에 나와가지고 아직까지는 안 뿌리고 있습니다. 그러면 이따 볼게요. Okay, I just recorded my 40-day fast video, so I'm getting hungry again. I'm gonna eat some more.
No!
That's Kirby. Don't put it on there, just put it on the floor. Sorry my refeeding videos are coming out so slow. Because I compressed them, I think I have to break them down to upload them. I haven't even been able to successfully export all of them yet. Really tedious process trying to make these videos. If you hear me say this, I probably have succeeded. Man, please leave me alone today. You know, I don't even know if I have to do any of these refeeding videos anymore because at this point, I think I'm eating normal again. Again, this is too much fat. I think if I finish this, I'll eat about 1.5 avocados today. Usually just want one fat source. 지방을 너무 많이 먹고 있어요. 아보카도 1개 반 정도 먹은 것 같지만 오늘 어쨌든 이거까지 먹으면 1개 반 정도 먹었을 것 같은데 1개면은 충분해요. Just one avocado is enough. 지방을 안 섞는 게 좋아요. Interesting fact, coconut is saturated fat. Most other nuts are unsaturated. You usually only find saturated in animal meat, so coconut is like a fat on its own. 그 다른 견과류 종류는 포화지방이 아닐걸요 아마? 비포화지방인가? 근데 코코넛은 이상하게 포화지방이에요. 포화지방은 아마 거의 동물에서만 나오거든요. 그래서 코코넛이 되게 특이해요. I dropped a bit of avocado. 아보카도 좀 떨어뜨렸는데 I'm still gonna eat it. 나중에 먹을 거예요. I'm not so worried about dropping coconut though. 코코넛 떨어뜨리는 건 그렇게 걱정할 필요 없어요. Coconut is everywhere. Avocado I have to go buy. 코코넛은 언제든지 있지만 아보카도는 가서 사야 되거든요. That's why I bought avocado grafts. 그래서 아보카도 잡목을 샀죠. Alright, I'm gonna go put these bananas in freezing containers. 바나나를 얼릴 거고요. 가서 바나나 얼릴 거고요. And I'm gonna go figure out how to upload these large files. 큰 파일 어떻게 업로드하는지 고민해야 되겠네요. So. That's pretty sweet. 꽤나 다네요. I'm actually running out of fruits. 과일이 좀 있으면 없어요.
Good taste. Good taste.
Sweet. Try. not gonna eat too many pineapples. Pineapple 너무 많이 안 먹을 거예요. I may have to go to the market tomorrow. 마켓 가야 될 수도 있어요, 내일. All I have is avocado, tomato, and lettuce left after this pineapple. 아보카도, 토마토, 상추밖에 없어요 지금. I'm gonna make a call here and just go ahead and open one more avocado. I know I already ate like a little more than one today, but I don't want to open a rotten avocado tomorrow. 아보카도가 안 썩었으면 좋겠으니까 그냥 하나 더 먹기로 했어요. So I'm whipping up a quick salad. 그래서 샐러드를 빨리 하나 만들려고요. Have some pineapple seriously then, because my mouth already hurting from the pineapple. I think the green one it's harder to eat for me. I think yellow less hurting.
Yeah.
Even though this one is sweet actually, it's good.
One. But I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
You want to the ripe one because the ripe one is much better.
Yeah, I cannot.
It cannot hurt your mouth.
Just
so
those two slices, and I couldn't eat more. I think maybe tomorrow I go to the market or Sagai.
you can travel now.
I think possible because today I go down to Sagai and get
at the barrio?
bananas. Yeah, at Barrio, and I get bananas.
So,
So if I can do that, all I need to be able to do is just ride motorcycle. So maybe.
It depends on you. You eat some salad.
Yeah. I opened this coconut for water, but there was none when I was eating earlier. Alright, the moment of truth, guys. This is why I'm eating again, or eating a salad again today. Wow. Yeah, perfect. Maybe I could have just eaten this tomorrow, I'm not sure. It's starting to go a little bad, so I think I'm glad I opened it today. Let's see if there's any thin parts to this. No, The stems are just too bitter, the stems of the lettuce. This is what avocado should taste like. Since I have no other food right now, other than the coconuts someone might get from me, it might be a good idea for me to just start off the morning tomorrow with that avocado. I know it's a lot of fat, but I don't think I have an option here. No. You have to understand, it's avocado season right now. I think they're like 50, 60 a kilo, which is like $1 per kilo. $1 every 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds maybe? It's ridiculous. 지금 아보카도 시즌이라 어쩔 수 없이 많이 먹게 돼요. Oh, it's okay, you can come in, no problem. No problem, bro, no problem. 지금 아보카도 시즌이라 아보카도가 너무 싸가지고 한 1,000원? 키로당 한 1,000원? 어쩔 수 없이 먹어야 돼요. 많이 간식을 하든 말든. 그리고 아보카도를 또 먹는 이유가 안 썩었으면 좋겠으니까 어쩔 수 없이 먹게 되고, 내일 아침에도 아보카도 먹어야 될지 몰라요. 왜냐면 다른 음식이 없어요. 코코넛 빼고 토마토하고 상추 몇 개 하고. And if I get pineapple, I think I'll only get the yellow skin. I think the green skinned ones, even though they're sweet, I don't know, I feel like it burns my mouth too quickly. But maybe pineapple in general just does that. Never been a big pineapple guy, but sometimes I want some. Okay, I need one more tomato. I'm gonna eat that slowly. 천천히 먹고. Maybe I'll eat a little bit of coconut later. Coconut 이따가 조금만 먹을 수 있지만. But I think that's enough for today, for our main meal. That's day 3. I think day 4 will be more interesting when I go into the city and pick out what I should eat. Alright? 오늘 여기까지입니다. 내일은 아마 마켓 가서 음식을 좀 사야 될 것 같아요. Adios!